Welcome, beautiful souls. Take a moment to arrive fully here. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to go. As I play these crystal bowls, allow the sound to move through you, exactly the way your body and soul need. Sound goes where words cannot. It gently clears, aligns, and remembers. You may feel sensations, emotions, images, or simply a deep peace. Whatever arises is perfect. Set the intention now to receive. Your higher self, guides, angels, and star family are already present, holding this space with you. Before I begin playing the bowls, I'm going to speak a blessing from our star family and higher guides to hold and protect this space. Beloved star family, Andromedan guides, and all benevolent beings of light aligned with Source and the highest good, I invite you into this space now. Surround each person here in a cocoon of crystalline light. Calm the body, soften the mind. Andromedan family assist in gently recalibrating their energetic grids. Release distortion, restore coherence. Bring every system back to harmony with divine order. Star family, activate remembrance within their selves, not through force, but through love. Let these tones open pathways of clarity, peace, and self-trust. Higher selves, step closer now. Anchors of light, lock gently into place. May each soul receive exactly what they are ready for. Nothing less, held in grace, protection, and divine timing. So it is. Root. As this bowl sounds, I anchor into the earth. I am safe. I am supported. I belong here. My body trusts life. Sacral. I am creative. welcome the flow of my emotions and creativity. I honor my feelings. I allow pleasure, joy, and movement. I am open to life's creative flow. Solar plexus. I am powerful. I stand in my personal power. I trust myself. I honor my inner truth. I choose confidence, clarity, and strength. Heart. I am love. My heart gently opens. Safely. I give and receive love with ease. I forgive, I soften. I remember who I truly am. Throat. I speak truth. My voice is clear and aligned. I express myself freely and lovingly. My truth matters. My words carry light. third eye. I see clearly. I trust my inner vision. I am connected to my higher wisdom. Clarity flows through my mind. I see beyond illusion. Crown. I am divine. I open to Source, to my higher self, and divine guidance. I remember my soul's origin. Light pours through me now. I am one with all that is. Take a few moments to integrate. Allow the sound to settle into every cell. Drink water if you feel called to. Be gentle with yourself today. Thank you for sharing this sacred space with me. Love you.